How to make money on YouTube without 1 million subscribers. There have been fortunes made on YouTube, and if you're interested in that, if you're interested in making money on YouTube, then you're going to want to watch this video to the very end so you can see how it's done. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I want to jump right into this. I don't want to waste any time, but if you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking the button below, the red button, turn it gray, and turn on all bell notifications so that you will be notified every single time I do a video. Okay, so there's some pretty big earners on YouTube now. I'm sure you've heard some of the stories, and I'd like to go through some of that with you too. But according to Forbes, these top 10 channels were top earners on YouTube from June 2017 to June 2018. They're still compiling the numbers from last year. First one is Ryan's World, $22 million, and he has 22.4 million subscribers. Jake Paul, which is 21.5 million. Now keep in mind, this is in 1 year, okay, 19.7 million subscribers. Dude Perfect, 20 million. He has 47.1 million subscribers. Dan TDM is $18.5 million, and that's 22.3 million subscribers. Jeffree Star, 18 million, 16.5 million subscribers. Markiplier, 17.5 million, 24.5 million subscribers. And Vanoss Gaming, 17 million or 24.9 million subscribers. Jake Septic Eye, 16 million, 23 million subscribers. Now I just got through saying, how can you make money and not have 1 million subscribers? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Hang on, let's get going. PewDiePie is number 9, $15.9 million dollars per year, 102 million subscribers. And Logan Paul, 14.5 million, 19.9 million subscribers. Now you may say, well, yeah, these people have huge audiences, of course they're making huge money, there's no way I can do that. First, let's look at the ways you make money. Do you make money when you upload a video to YouTube? No, technically you don't, but it still can make you money. Once you've uploaded a video and you've reached a certain threshold, that's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can join their partner program, which means when ads run on your videos, they actually pay you a portion of the revenue that they receive off that ad. So that tells you right there, you only have to have 1,000 subscribers. So at 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning money from ads off YouTube. From these earnings, you may be saying, wow, there's a lot of ads, man, they're making a lot of money off ads. I will tell you the majority of their income is not from ads. That's generally about 20% of your income, give or take, depending on your channel. It's usually from merchandise, it's usually from courses, it's usually from downloads that they sell, t-shirts, hats, mugs, whatever. That's where the money is being made. It can also be affiliate links where they go to Amazon or some other site where they get paid when it's a click-through. The thing to think about is this ad revenue is not the same for every single channel, so you gotta be cognizant in the beginning who's watching your channel, what audience are you attracting. You know, these ad rates can be as low as $1 or $2, and they can go up to $30 or $40 depending on what your audience is. You know, YouTube is aware of the fact that if the majority of the people that watch your channel are 21-year-olds and they don't have a job and they're still in college, they're not as valuable as somebody who's 45 looking to invest, who sees an ad for an investment firm where somebody can make millions of dollars on them. Okay, they're wise to that. So your niche is so very important. If you're just making a channel because you want to get views and you don't care about making money, this video isn't for you anyhow. This is all about making money. But if that's the case, then you don't have to worry about a niche. What are some of the ways you can actually make money on YouTube? That's what I want to talk about real quick. See, when you create these multiple money streams, it's a whole lot easier to monetize your channel and make it profitable that much faster. So let's look at some of these things. First thing, of course, and I told you, is to become a partner with YouTube once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. But you can also sell products and merchandise. You can do that immediately. You don't have to have any subscribers, any views, or any of that stuff. No watch time, just having those links down there where somebody can buy something from you. You can let your audience support you through fan funding, through things like Patreon or something along those lines, where people just give you money because they like your content. You can also license your content to other media and make money off that if you choose to do so. Once you've built up a little bit of an audience, and I've been contacted by a lot of companies now, and I don't have that big of an audience yet. We just started working on this channel, but it's been growing a lot thanks to you guys. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on bell notifications, do all that stuff. Got to tell you to do that because that's the only way to grow the channel. but you can become an influencer, you can become an actual brand. I've had people, you know, contact me and say, hey, make this video, we'll pay $1,000 to make this video. Now I rarely take any of those for a couple of reasons. Really, it takes out a lot of time and I don't have the time to waste on something like that right now. That's not my focus. I would rather spend time making videos for you guys, making content, as opposed to making ads. Secondly, a lot of them that contact me don't meet with my brand, they don't fit with my brand, or if I don't know something about their product or service. Like I had one the other day that, you know, some investment firm, some stock place, and I don't know anything about them. I can't recommend them to you guys if I don't know anything about them. This is wrong, so I don't do that. Another was a software company. I hadn't used their software. It was a video editing software, so I didn't do the video for that one either. But as soon as you start getting a little bit of a following, you know, anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you're going to get contacted by these people and they're going to want to give you money. Now I do want to tell you, the first thing that I talked about was ad revenue, and that's not going to be the first way you're going to make money, because you can't in the beginning. But I want you to be thinking about that now, and you have to think about it now because you got to think about what kind of videos you're going to make, and you got to think about the length of the videos that you're going to make. YouTube likes to put at least 4 ads on the video. They need an 8-minute video to do that. So if you make a whole bunch of 3-minute videos, they can't put 4 ads in there, and since they can't put 4 ads in there, they're less likely to show your videos as suggested videos, which is the #1 way to get views. So all of my videos are approximately, some are a lot longer, but approximately 10 to 14 minutes. That way I can hit that sweet spot of how many ads they can put on my videos. You can also check out YouTube Premium, where people actually pay for special content on your videos, and that will give you more revenue, another revenue stream. So another reason I say, you know, you don't want to just worry about the ad revenue, because, you know, you could make some videos that people don't like and they're just not going to run ads on them for that reason. It may have content in there that companies don't like, so don't think of that as your primary source of income. It can be a source of income, but there's some reasons that, you know, YouTube will not run ads on your videos. Some of them, like if you have sexually suggestive content, a lot of companies will not run an ad there. If you have violence, including displays of serious injury and events related to violent extremism, a lot of ads will not run in there. If you have inappropriate language, if you curse in your videos, I try not to, but if you curse in your videos, a lot of companies won't run an ad on there. If you have any type of promotion or drugs or regulated substances, including selling use of such items, no ads are going to be able to be run on there. If you have any controversial or sensitive subjects and events, and that can be war, politics, natural disasters, any type of tragedies, a lot of times you can't get ads to run on there. They'll be demonetized. And the scary thing about that is, since 2012, YouTube has been demonetizing channels and videos through an automated process, and there's no warning or anything along those lines, and they can just take away your ad revenue. Nowadays it's a little bit better. They will let you know if your video or channel has been flagged for demonetization and what the violation is, and then you can appeal it or take down that video or that content and do whatever you want. Now I did talk about selling products. I have courses that are down below in the links. You can actually find those courses for sale down there. That's a great way for you to generate money. You can sell t-shirts and hats and mugs and all these different things. Once your channel gets to a certain size, you can actually run a banner of all your t-shirts below and actually sell those also. They also have a thing on YouTube called YouTube Super Chat, and what that allows you to do is, when you go live, it allows people to tip you, give you $1, give you $5, give you $10. And I thought, there's no way people are doing this, and I watched a couple live videos from some food reviewers that I know, and people were giving them money right and left, just $5 here, $10 there, $2. That's pretty cool. And those questions normally will get answered by the person doing the live video, because they see that they got a tip, so they're going to talk to those people first. Now the other thing I mentioned earlier was Patreon. Patreon's pretty cool, and what it does is, it's a membership platform that allows the members to actually give money to the creators, and they get access to extra content or more content than they would normally get if they just went to the channel. And like I say, there are sites where you can actually sell your content and license it to other people. There's a site called Junkin Media, and Junkin Media, you can actually put your content there, and it makes it easier for people to find it. And like I said earlier, being an influencer is pretty cool, and you don't have to necessarily do a video on somebody's product. They may want to sponsor your video. They may say, here's $5,000, will you at least talk about our product in the beginning of your video? I've seen a lot of creators do that. They'll talk about some earbuds they like. You know, earbuds are a funny thing, because that can work with almost any channel. You know, here's some earbuds, I like these earbuds, you ought to check them out, you get a discount below if you click the link, that type of thing. So they get affiliate money when somebody buys that product, plus they get the placement of that particular sponsor when they talk about it for a minute or two in the video, and they may get a payment for that too. So when you're selling the stuff on your channel, if you are doing a sponsored thing, you don't want to annoy your audience. You don't want to say, hey, you got to go buy this right now, it's really important. You just want to matter-of-factly mention it. You know, you do have to go by the guidelines of whatever the sponsor tells you to say, but if you don't feel comfortable with it, don't do it. Okay, I don't want anybody to feel like they have to buy one of my courses, or somebody has to buy a product that I'm talking about. There's very few products that I am really into. I am into Kartra. If you look below, you'll see a link for Kartra. That's what I use all my marketing for, my sales letters, my emails, my videos, my sales pages, my funnels. Kartra is the deal. I am an affiliate of Kartra, full disclosure. But if you go down and click on that Kartra link, you don't have to buy anything. There's a free video there, and for $1 you can get a 14-day trial. And of course, call to action in your videos for somebody to do something. I have a free course down there. It's a $97 course, but you can get it for free by just clicking the link. Okay, there you go. There's a call to action. Check out that course down there. And of course, the last thing I was talking about is affiliate links. If you look in my description below, I have a lot of affiliate links to Amazon. I'm an affiliate for them. So if you like my cameras, my computers, my lighting, or some of the tools that I use, you can click on one of those links down there and buy it. It doesn't cost you any more at all. Okay, it costs you the same price as if you just went there and bought it, but I get a small portion of that particular sale. So you can make money. You don't need 1 million people. Matter of fact, they say you really only need about 1,000 real, you know, loyal fans to make a really good living, to make 100 grand, 150 grand a year, which is not bad nowadays. So I want you to check out all that, try it out, let me know how it works for you. Put a comment below, let me know what you thought of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't, something along those lines. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you every single time I do a new video. I want to have your comments below. If there's a subject that you're interested in, you want me to do a video on, put that in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.